I recommend it to my fellow coworkers. I tell them, really need to check this out because it's a great tool, especially with the AI-powered healthcare navigator that they have, Zoe, which has been a tremendous help. And it's available 24/7. So it's not like I'm having to reach out to somebody thinking, oh, are they going to be closed or are they going to be available? Zoe's always available, and that's really key for me. Hi, my name is Gary Heller, and I work for Concert AI as an operations manager. Before working with Healthee, I had had a prior instance where I had a significant surgical procedure that I had to undergo. And having to deal with all of the paperwork relative to that procedure and all of the different insurance plans that I had to need to review and to look at coverages and specialists, I really felt like I was having to reach in 10 different directions to 10 different people or organizations or groups. Healthee does a great job of really organizing that into one simple go-to place where I can access everything that I need for my healthcare as it relates to what's covered, what's not covered, if I'm looking for a particular provider or if I'm looking for a particular specialty. It also helped me find a local specialist, particularly a cardiologist because of my heart surgery. I'm also diabetic, so I need to have an endocrinology practice that I can find. And Healthee was really instrumental in helping me to find the specialties that I needed to take care of my healthcare needs. So I heard about Healthee from an email blast that came out from our human resources folks. As part of our benefits package, they indicated that Healthee was available to us and jumped in with both feet right away because, like I said, I had the experience of having to deal with a major medical issue. And I know how frustrating that can be, not having the resources that Healthee provides, not really being all that familiar with, the dedicated medical resources that were available, the professionals that were available to me. Healthee really provided me with a great deal of assistance there because I could actually go in and look at the various providers. I could actually read the reviews of patients that have gone to those providers and make a more informed decision as to do they work with my insurance, how close are they, and most importantly, the ratings that they got from folks that were currently going to those providers. All of that was provided to me, and it was a tremendous benefit to have that information so I can make a more informed decision into my healthcare. The features that I use the most for Healthee are just trying to determine what my insurance coverages will cover, what the out-of-pocket costs might be, if any. It allows me to not have to spend a lot of time trying to search information. It's really all centralized there. What surprised me the most about working with Healthee was how intuitive the AI-powered healthcare navigator is. I find it very easy to use. I can ask simple questions. I can get an answer right away. I would recommend Healthee to my coworkers or to folks that have access to it. Again, ease of use, a better way of managing your insurance plans, just a way to avoid endless paperwork. It's a great resource.